Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I rushed you guys to do this video because I just received a package from Fashionphile. I did not open it, I just removed the label. So I thought we're just gonna do it together and do like a first impression. Yes, I ordered a handbag. This was quite spontaneous purchase. But this is the handbag that it was kind of in the back of my mind for the last few years. But I knew I was never gonna buy it brand new because it's ridiculous expensive and I don't think it's hold its value. That was the first reason. And the second reason, I was looking for, of course, the excellent condition. I always buy from Fashionphile with excellent condition, but also the price have to be right. And it just happened. I was browsing the other day and I noticed this bag at 50% off the retail price. So I went for it. Let's do it. Let's open it up. I think I need a better tool for this because this is just, let's see, this is just not working. Okay, here it is. Let's just do it together, guys. So they did send me a calendar. Let's see the calendar. Because it's a New Year's, they usually include their calendar. I think I already have one because I ordered something that I didn't show you guys, but I will promise I will show you in the next video. So this is the calendar for 2024. Oh, it's pretty cute. Has all this images, you know, handbags and all that stuff that they sell. And they always include a little file, nail file. Here is the inside. Description says that the handbags comes with, oh, I thought it was gonna be bigger, with original dust bag. Gosh, it feels small. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Okay, but we'll see it. Okay, let me just put this down here so you guys, let's see. I'm kind of scared to think about it, but it was still a lot of money. But on the other hand, you know, I can always return it, right? If it doesn't work. So, you guys ready? Let's do this. Let's do this together. I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna pull it up and we all look together. Ta-da! Oh my Lord. This is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful, you guys. What do you guys think? So this is a Fendi Peekaboo East-West. So this is the exact style that I was after. I like it more kind of horizontal handbags. Those regular Peekaboos I never was a fan of. It's just I wanted like more like, you know, more longer kind of horizontal. I was just expecting honestly this bag to be much bigger for some reason. I don't know. I just imagined to be more kind of like almost like a briefcase, if that makes sense. Do they come in different sizes? I don't even know, but it is beautiful. It is beautiful. So obviously if you order from Fashionphile, it comes with that little tag. If you remove it, you have to keep the handbag. If you want to return it, keep it attached so you can, you know, kind of make a decision. Like I mentioned earlier, the handbag was marked as in excellent condition, and honestly, you guys, looking at this bag, it is like brand new. You know, I'm not sponsored by Fashionphile. I was never sponsored. They really don't know anything about me, but I purchased so many things from them, and I'm talking handbags, accessories, jewelry, shoes, and maybe there was a few items that I returned in the past. Most of the items I purchased from them, I love it. And most of the time I purchase items that are marked as excellent condition, and in my opinion they only mark excellent condition for items that looks basically like new. And this is the case with this handbag. I mean, I cannot even tell that this bag has been used because it's such a beautiful condition. I don't even see like scratches. The hardware is like spotless. There's absolutely nothing. Maybe some fingerprints, and that's it. So shall we open it and see what's inside? Okay, so you open it like so. Ooh, that's such a beautiful inside. So yes, so the handbag comes with its own rain jacket. That's what I was saying, that it comes with. I've never had a handbags with the rain jacket. Let's take a look. How cute is that? So obviously you put it over, you keep it in your handbag, right? And you put it over, you know, when it's rain, like today, it's a very gloomy day, for example, or if you are just caught in the rain. This is cute. I mean, look at this. Very nice. So this comes like in its own little pouch. And then there is also a strap. So there is a strap, and the strap has like this little circles, yeah, like those little hooks in here. And the strap is adjustable, so there's quite a few holes, so it is adjustable. Looks like it's pretty long, so it's probably, I would be able to wear it crossbody as well. So let's see. Oh yeah, there is original dust bag as well, because it did, description says that there's a Fendi dust bag as well. So it comes with the original dust bag. So, oh, there's some paperwork as well. Wow, they have really everything. I didn't know there was. Yeah, so there is some information and there's some other cards. So good deal. All right, you guys, so here's the inside of the handbag. Is a very structured handbag, as you can tell, and it looks like one side is a little bit larger, like this one, and this one is a little bit smaller, and has this, you know, this obviously this interesting kind of divider in the middle. I don't know. Or maybe I can move it. I don't know how it works, but if you look at the gussets, it looks like one is larger, one is smaller, right? Am I right? I don't know. I've never had a peekaboo in my life, so I really don't know. I can tell that there is still a protective film on the top of this bar, this metal bar in here. So obviously you can just carry like this. You can keep it open. You can probably close it. I mean, it's a very cute bag. The only thing is that I really expect this handbag to be much bigger. So I'll have to play around with this. But so far, I mean, I love it. I mean, the quality, everything is just beautiful. And like I mentioned earlier, I got it at 50% off retail price. You guys, there's like a little pocket, very kind of, you know, I don't know what you can put here. Maybe a credit card, like a loose credit card, or some receipts. There's not much really room. And then there's no pockets on the other side. And it feels like this inside kind of moves around very easily. There are some kind of closures on both sides, but I don't think these are meant to be like removable. So how do people carry these handbags? Opened, closed? I guess it's relatively easy to keep it closed. Just kind of do that, and then it feels pretty secure. So yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, I love it. I love it. I'll have to play around with this, to be honest with you. I mean, I want to keep it because I feel like it was such a good deal. And normally, as I was checking these bags in the past, they were like maybe 30% off retail, 40% off. And this one happened to be like 50% off. You know, I don't know, maybe somebody didn't notice and didn't buy it. I don't know, but I feel like I really scored, yeah, with this handbag. So yeah, so what do you guys think? Let me know. Let me see if I can attach. Where do I attach the shoulder strap? I guess it goes here. So this is with the shoulder strap now. I guess this is the only way to attach this, and I assume this can go crossbody. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Look how it sits on me. It's like a beautiful, perfect length. That is actually perfect. And this can be obviously held like this. You can hold it anywhere. You can keep it open, I guess. You can keep it closed. I mean, it's very, very elegant. And it's quite structured. I'll have to see how much I can fit stuff in here. But it is a small bag. A small, medium handbag. That's how I would kind of rate this. It is definitely not a large bag or medium large bag like I expected to be. But it is beautiful. It is really, really, really beautiful. So what do you guys think? I need to hear your comments. I need to hear your feedback. Should I keep it? I mean, I love it. Honestly, I love it. The only thing that is just kind of holding me from cutting this, you know, the tag is the size. I really thought this was gonna be much, much, much larger, meaning like maybe taller. I mean, I did look at the measurements, but for some reason my brain just didn't register that this is rather kind of small to a medium size handbag. This is not like a work bag, if that makes sense. But honestly, on the other hand, you guys, I don't carry that much stuff with me, so maybe that would be just enough. But the question is, do I need another black small bag? You know what I mean? I do have that Louis Vuitton Lock Me bag, which size-wise would be very, very comparable to this one. It is different. It is different. And this one is just stunning. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. Maybe I should keep it because it is beautiful. It's, you know, this bag kind of says quiet luxury, because if you know what it is, but if you don't know, you're gonna say, oh, it's a very beautiful, well-made handbag. You know what I mean? There's no logos. There's nothing that will say, oh, it's Fendi, I'm holding a Fendi handbag. There's just, obviously, there's some prints, you know, on that twist, you know, it says Fendi, but you really have to look to see it, you know, it's on the turn lock. That's what I'm trying to say. And there are markings, obviously, on the hardware, but you really need to look, you know, in order to notice the name. So to me, it's like a very luxurious, elegant handbag. So what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I not? Definitely leave me a comment and let me know, what do you think about this new beauty? I'm just gonna think about it. 80% of me is saying yes, I'm gonna hold on to it. 20% says you don't need another small black handbag. So yeah, I have to kind of try on with my outfits and see how I will feel about this. I'm gonna show it to my husband, see what he thinks, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very spontaneous unboxing. This was obviously not planned because the handbag that I kind of had in mind that I wanted to buy was from Bottega, but again, I do not want to pay a full retail price. So yes, I went very spontaneously for this bag because this was also something that, like I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video, I've been looking at this bag for years. I actually have this YouTube video saved of that lady showing this particular handbag that's been like 3 years ago, recorded 3 years ago, and I have been pretty much eyeing this bag for that long. And but I was very particular about the, you know, color, obviously, because it also comes with a beautiful, like a cognac color, but I knew the cognac is not gonna work for me, and the cognac was on even better sale some times ago on Fashionphile, also in excellent condition, but I had to have it in black because I know myself, I am not gonna wear the cognac handbag. As much as I love it, it's just not for me. So you know, this is my criteria. It has to be at a good price, a perfect color, and obviously has to be in excellent condition, because then I feel like it's just worth it, you know, and I feel like I have basically a brand new handbag. So yeah, I am excited. I'm excited, but I'm gonna take a few days to try it on, kind of, you know, see with my kind of outfits and think about this, and I'll make a decision. But in the meantime, if you guys can also let me know what do you think. I'll read your comments, and I would love to know what do you think. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.